Hello everybody, this is Eli Levy with Cannon Trading, and today I want to show you how I use some of the indicators on the CannonX, our free platform. Before we get started, please pause your screen and read our disclaimer. So I'm looking at these indicators. I use the RSI, the Stochastic, the MACD, and the Awesome Oscillator. It's very simple to add them on. I just click Study. I come down here. I find each one of them. As you can see them by name right here, RSI and so on. Whenever I get to it, I just click on this button right here and I go New Local Band. It adds it to my bar. And if I want it to all the charts, I click it over there. What else is interesting is, as you can see, I'm looking at a weekly time frame right here. And the S&P hasn't really done much, right, for the past few weeks. This is, as you could see, not much. Hitting the 100-day moving average and bouncing off it. But on the RSI, I'm getting a negative divergence. You see this going lower and lower. Same thing with the stochastic, same thing with the MACD. The Awesome Oscillator still give me red bars one after the other. So this is a way that I get an indication for the long term. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you at the next one. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or anyone at Cannon Trading. Have a great day.